Hey travelers, today I'm going to be chatting about why I actually even made a YouTube channel. I haven't shared this publicly, so I thought I'd put all my thoughts into a video just to give you some insight into why I'm doing this. I guess the story really starts back in high school. I actually made this channel back in 2013 when I first wanted to make videos. But at the time, I didn't know what I wanted to make videos about, and I really didn't know how to make videos in the first place. And at the time, it wasn't necessarily as cool as it is now to be on YouTube, and nowadays almost anyone can have a YouTube channel and it's relatively normal. So back then, I never even made a video. I didn't start my channel. Fast forward to college and I met Adam. And if you don't know who Adam is, he's my partner, but he's more importantly an amazing filmmaker. He's been making videos since he was 16 years old, and he's such an inspiration to me. He's had a couple YouTube channels, and watching him work over the years has really re-sparked the desire in me that I had in high school to make videos. Low-key, he helped me film a makeup video that I was gonna put on YouTube and make a makeup channel a couple years ago, but that didn't go anywhere. I never even edited the video, but everything happens for a reason. But we're not gonna talk about makeup here on this channel very frequently, maybe sometimes. As we started to travel more, and travel became more of my career path alongside my photography career, I decided I wanted to make videos of our trips. And I kind of started this back in 2018 when we went on our trip to Europe, but I wasn't fully committed yet. I was still insecure about making videos and being on camera. I thought I wasn't good enough to be making videos for YouTube and that no one would like them. But everyone starts somewhere, and you can't always let other people's opinions stop you from doing what you want to do. Fast forward to 2019 when we went on our big road trip, and I finally decided that I wanted to make a travel-centered business. And at that point, I knew I had to swallow my insecurities and just do it. I know that video is such a strong tool to connect with an audience and to build a business, and I was only holding myself back by not starting. I finally buckled down and started filming and editing. And I did a lot of research into what makes good videos so that I could be proud of the work that I was putting out. So now that it's 2021, I have my business, Tat Voyage, and I want to keep providing my clients and my audience with valuable content. I am so fortunate to be able to have my own business doing what I love. I love educating people about traveling affordably and photography, and I just love providing entertaining content. I want to continue building on my business and doing what I love, and also honing my skills, and all of that includes making videos. This is something that I wanted to do for so long, and I'm so proud of myself for finally taking the steps to do it. I've overcome so many insecurities and also just learned so many skills as well. If I can do it, then you can do it too. The main lesson here is just do whatever you want to do. If you're passionate about it, then just do it. There will always be people that have things to say, and their opinions don't matter as long as you are happy and you're doing what you love. I'm so happy that I finally dedicated myself to making videos about travel and photography, because those are the two things that I'm most passionate about. And it's also fun to share different life experiences with you guys as well. If you've been waiting to start something, this is your sign to just do it. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below what you're gonna start doing now. With all that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.